how to make a Spotify song your ringtone. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. In the Explore page of Spotify, tap on an artist of your choice from the list. Now, scroll down to the songs and tap on the three dots beside a song that you like. Then, tap on Add to Playlist. Here, you can add this song to your existing playlists. Select the playlist that you want to add this song to and then tap on Done. The song has now been added to the playlist. After that, go to the bottom panel and tap on your library. In your library, scroll down and go to the playlist that you recently added the song to. On this page, tap on the download icon as shown in here. The songs in this playlist will now start downloading. Wait for the downloading process to finish. While the songs are being downloaded, go to your home screen and open up your phone settings. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Sound and Haptics. In the Sounds and Haptics page, tap on Ringtone. Now, tap on Tone Share as shown over here. After that, tap on Downloads. Here, you will find the songs that you have recently downloaded on Spotify. Then select the song that you want to make your ringtone. Your new ringtone has now been set. So this is how you can easily make a Spotify song your ringtone.